Modern technology is helping humanity in various ways. The truth is, without technology, we might not be able to do certain things anymore. Well, today we're not going to give you a lecture about the nature of military operations of the year. But, in this video, we will reveal some of the coolest military gadgets that only technology made it possible. Number 1. Spot. We're all for modern technology, everything being connected to the internet and remotely manageable, and modern digital assistants that are always at our beck and call. But we're drawing the line at Boston Dynamics' Spot robot. After being unveiled a couple years ago, this creepy little robot dog can open doors, carry payloads, climb stairs, and even get up if it falls. And it is finally available for commercial use. It has a top speed of 3 miles per hour and a 90-minute runtime for each swappable battery. Spot can even carry up to 14 kilograms and has 2 different payload ports for devices like an arm that can open up doors. It also is capable of operating in extreme temperatures and is IP54 rated for protection from dust and rain. Oh yeah, and it also has a 365-degree camera that enables it to avoid obstacles. Spot's early yet bumpy rollout in these real-life scenarios is just further proof that these robots are far from taking over the world, let alone mass replacing human jobs. In many cases, the Spot robot is augmenting jobs of existing humans, like being a bomb squad member and providing a useful way to capture videos and collect data in sensitive or dangerous environments. It's a far cry from the murderous Black Mirror robot, and certainly not as spooky as the impressive motor function demons make it seem. Coming in at number 2. Guardian S. The Guardian S robot is a compact, multi-purpose remote visual inspection tool ideal for industrial and public safety applications. Its rugged design allows for deployment in challenging terrain and confined spaces while maintaining real-time situational awareness via wireless transmission from its 6 high-resolution cameras and onboard audio sensors. At only 17 pounds, the Guardian S robot is easily transported and can be rapidly deployed within minutes. The Guardian S robot is so highly modular and capable of easily integrating additional third-party sensors and for various inspection applications. The Guardian S has a 12-hour surveillance time and can traverse stairs, culverts, pipes, tanks, and vertical ferromagnetic surfaces. It transports a 10-pound payload, access confined spaces with openings as small as 7 inches in diameter, and is IP65 certified, making it water protected. Real-time communications to the operator is provided via its 5 high-resolution cameras and 2-way audio. Coming in at number 3. Tech Torch. I know, if you're not military, law enforcement, or the first responder, you can't even have a TEC Torch handheld breaching saber tool. But, dude, you can still want it. The Tech Torch uses thermal magic, specifically a concoction of combustion products jetted through a nozzle to heat and sever, say, 5/8 inch steel bar in less than 1 second, or 2 in less than 6. The Tech Torch is a non-explosive and, according to its creators, Energetic Materials and Products Incorporated, completely safe for trained personnel to use. The engineered projectile it releases consists of a combination of vaporized metal and particulate whose temperature, over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and speed of attack, simply heat targets above their melting points and erode them away. The Big Bang is housed in Tech Torch cartridges designed to contain the intense pressure and thermal energy without backlash or energy, with only inches of the operator's hand. The Tech Torch's hilt measures just 1.5 inches in diameter, with the full assembly length ranging from 12 to 14 inches, depending on the selected cartridge option. Cartridges include a 2-second burn time model, the most widely applicable to these varying of targets, a rod cutter, which can cut a solid steel rod up to 0.75 inches clean, regardless of whether it's hardened, plain carbon, or stainless steel, and a plate penetrator for hot blasting a 0.35 inch diameter hole through a 0.5 inch steel plate. Tech torches can be used underwater during deep water exploration. Coming in at number 4, the Mission Master. This is the ultimate unmanned ground vehicle. It maximizes soldier efficiency. With the Mission Master, Rheinmetall developed a unique concept on an unmanned multi-purpose ground vehicle, a UGV. On top of being useful for reconnaissance and surveillance operations, the Mission Master can be fitted for tactical overwatch, CBRN detection, and medevac operations, as well as firefighting missions. Each version of the Mission Master is already networked to both an Argus soldier system and the Rheinmetall command and control software, which can be installed on any user's battle management system. Capable of performing in dangerous or hard to reach areas, the Mission Master provides safety and security to the mounted and dismounted forces, increases their operational effectiveness, and keeps them out of harm's way. The Mission Master's UGV systems comprises a robotic multi-purpose vehicle platform and integrated subsystems, module mission payloads, and command post. The vehicle features a rugged, all-terrain, fully amphibious 8x8 chassis, which can be optionally fitted with tracks based on the mission's needs. This vehicle has a length of 2.95 meters and a base weight of approximately 750 kilograms. Its modular design allows for carriage of 600 kilograms easy to install payloads for operation on land, while its payload carrying capacity is reduced to 300 kilograms during amphibious operations. It can achieve a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour on land. Coming in at number 5, the GAURDIan XO. It's a battery-powered, full-body exoskeleton that bears its own weight in any weight that you lift. Based on testing, the suit allows the person to lift over 200 pounds repeatedly for up to 8 hours at a time without any exertion or fatigue. The unique thing about this particular exoskeleton design is just how much, or little, it needs from the user to help move an object. In the demonstration at CES, users practically only had to move their fingers and the exoskeleton arm would lift a 50-pound suitcase over their heads. This exoskeleton was designed for awkward lifting scenarios where employee physical exertion of any kind would be dangerous or hard. The exoskeleton has a built-in 24 degrees of freedom to give its user as much freedom as possible while wearing it. It accomplishes its impressive strength through electrical actuators throughout the machine that runs off an electric battery. Each suit has a runtime of around 2 hours, but thanks to detachable, rechargeable batteries, workers can simply hot swap their batteries in order to work an entire day. As for the pricing, the GAURDIan XO cost $100,000 per year to rent, which on the face of things sounds absurd to the average consumer. However, the value proposition here is that the device can supercharge an average human worker, essentially giving them super strength. This will dramatically increase the working capacity of each individual employee. You can sort of think of the GAURDIan XO as a robot that people control by being inside of it. The machine is self-supporting and can essentially balance on its own. The entire suit weighs just 150 pounds, but it supports itself, so the user will feel nothing, other than maybe feeling like they're inside a robot.